This we think is a step in the right direction, and this is also in consonance or parallel sa ating policy on human rights na enshrined sa ating Constitution.
Ining maging reaksyon ng pamuntok ng Commission on Human Rights o CHR Region 3 king utos ng Presidente Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ang bumuong Special Committee on Human Rights Coordination na usandang super body. King lalam ng Administrative Order No. 22 a pinirma ng Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin, mitataglang Special Committee tumutok kareng mekanismo ang magpasiknang king karapatan daring balang tao. Kapag nasana kanuniti ang ibalaw sig initiatives at accomplishment ng United Nations for the Joint Program on Human Rights o UNJP ang mapupos na king July 31. Imbes na i-extending obra na niti, ginawa lang special committee. Kaya be karing mapilang obra ng special committee, impamagpasikan karing mekanismo para king proteksyon at promotion ng human rights king larangan na ng investigation and accountability. Pamaglikom datos kaugnay ng human rights violation karing law enforcement agencies, human rights-based approach king pamagsugpo king droga at pamamiadalan ba makapanyad saop ding biktima ng human rights. Nung lalawin, ding obrang areni gagawa na nala ng Commission on Human Rights. Makanyan man, alano man kanong akakit ang maging problema kanini.
We see no conflict naman because the CHR is an independent body. The executive, if they want, can police themselves. Actually, it's not a very new mechanism. Meron tayong mga human rights affairs offices in several agencies, like the PNP, may HR, and so on. I don't think you can really say na it's redundant kasi we would want them to look more into human rights concerns.
In human rights protection, promotion, and fulfillment, mani munang katungkulan ni kanuning estado at dapat mong i-execute na iti ng gobyerno.
Having the executive come up with such mechanism is something that is germane actually to the mandate. We are hopeful and optimistic that this will be an effective mechanism for the protection of human rights.
Pamuntukanen ning opisina ng Executive Secretary ang Special Committee, Co-Chairman naman ng Justice Secretary kabang miyembro la ng Secretaries ng Foreign Affairs at Interior and Local Government. Welcome development yakano para king CHR in pangatatag na ng Special Committee on Human Rights. Makanyan man, bantende kanong masama sa ing development na nini. Panayan dyan mo naman kano ing implementing rules and regulations o IRR na niti at mamasang mi payabela kaning members bang kanita midinan lang boses ng civil society organizations at magsilbing intermediary.
Definitely we would want to be there. If they finally decide on the membership, we would also want inclusiveness.
Balaos na pamurin kanu ding human rights violation king Central Luzon at king mabilog a bangsa at king pangatatag na ning super body, positibo la kanong agam panananiti ing karelang mandato king pamamye hustisya karing human rights victims.
Siguro mapapadali. Hopefully, we can use this mechanism para matulungan din kami sa aming investigations. We will not waver. We will be vigilant, of course, and diligent. Titignan ho natin pa rin at we are looking at this as an additional arm that will help protect human rights.
Ako'y kaya kayong talasuyo, Jennifer Sanenga, ating pusong makabalan.